And for this ball we're going to make one the size we want, and we're going to start with an ellipse, and we're going to make this 150 by 100. Then the offset curve, and I'm going to make that 3mm, and we're going to chop it down to about here, and also down the middle. And T for trim, get rid of that part, that part. Now we're going to put this little rim on the bottom. So we're going to select the circle. Now that's the very bottom, so we want something a bit lower than that, say 2mm down about here. I'm going to put a 2mm circle here. Let us zoom in a bit. Now to make this nice and symmetrical, construction line, and right click and make it into a mirror. Straight line. Now, no, we're going to select this one here, tangent line, which means that when we select the circle, no matter where we draw it, the line will always remain a tangent to that line. So we're going to have a bit of a taper on it. Don't take it to there, otherwise it'll try and find a tangent to this line or there. So whatever looks aesthetically pleasing to you, going to make that. Now we don't need this mirror line anymore. We'll just delete it. Select create a rounded corner. That looks nice. Do the same here, there, and T key for trim, trim that off, and P for pull. Select it, rotate it, select an axis, this one down here is our axis, full pull, oh, that looks beautiful to me. Select the center line, press the X key and the V, and now you see our little rim is below the level of the bottom of the ball, which will sit nicely on any table. Hope you like that. Have fun with it. Bye.